AliExpress. So I ordered a turtle off there. I was a little hesitant to even order from the website, but I know a lot of people on YouTube have and had no problems usually, you know, but I have a project I want to do that I was looking for a certain head sculpt, and the Movies turtle was the one I was looking for. And I didn't want to spend $50 for a turtle and just pull the head off and leave the body in my bin. I know there's a couple of them out there for 15, 20 bucks, what I probably should have done, but really, I don't know. But right here, one of these are fake. One of these are a fake movie turtle, and we'll talk about it, but I don't know. But before I tell you how much I paid for it and how fast it came, or you know, whatever it had any problems, first let's get into the actual turtles here and see maybe which one it is. You probably guessed it already. I'm not sure. I mean, I wouldn't be able to pick it out right away because I was really surprised that I got actually what I ordered, because I wasn't sure if it was a thing where, especially for the price, I should tell you in a minute, especially for the price I got it for, I didn't think it was even really going to come, or it would be coming in, it would be a completely different thing. It'd be more like this size, or this figure, or something like that, some kind of mock-off of a turtle. So right here, as you can see, Donatello is not real. So here's all the turtles. As you can see, let's get the real Donatello out here, and I'll show you what I mean. So here we go. Starting with the bow. This is not his bow. This is this Donnie's bow. But I built my own bow out of a shish kebab stick, which looks kind of cool when you hang down the phrase and stuff like that. And it looks pretty cool like that when he's holding on to it. But right now, that's for a little bit later here in the video. When I took the bow and I tried to at least put it in his hand, this thing is cheap. This is, you can see the different, well, it's not really a whole bunch completely different kind of plastic. They're both cheap, but this is more rubberier, the real one, opposed to the hard plastic. So if you order one of these, just keep in mind you'll probably have to build one of your own bows. You would probably want to anyway if you're going to do a repaint or something. But and actually, this figure would be great for a repaint. I may do that down the road here after I take the head off and use it when I need it to use it for. But here they are side by side. The one on my right, or the one here, your left, my right, whatever you want to call it, is the fake. And the one thing that stuck out in the box was the shell. You can see, and I'm sure other bootlegs look better than this one, but like I said, I was going to show you how much I paid for it, and I got free shipping. And being the first time buyer from there, there it is, $266 with free shipping, right there. Free shipping, $285, turtle, and it was here within 6 days, 7 days. It came really fast. It came right when it was supposed to, by the 31st, between the 31st and the 5th. You know, and it came within a few days. I ordered it last week, but it's really quick. It went through customs and everything, but never mind all that. Let's take a look at it from top to bottom. Like I said, this one over here is the fake one. This is the real one. The first thing I notice is the eyes. The eyes are a little crossed a little bit compared to the real Donnie, but it's okay. Now, if I plan on doing something with the head, it doesn't look bad if you have it to the side like this. I was planning on putting Donnie, the custom I'm doing, to the side because I'll show you right here. This is my Michelangelo He-Man / Turtles mesh custom paint, I did. I'll put that at the end of the video, but here's what I'm talking about. And I have a body picked out for him. But the head, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with. I'll talk about that later in a different video. But his eyes, I don't know. His eyes a little off. But the head, they're just almost identical right there. Let me zoom instead of trying to pull it close to the camera here. Get a little closer, a little better, so I can keep it in the light. I got a lot of light here because I'm trying to make it a little more brighter for better quality video, which my camera's not the best. But down the sides, you can see they try to put the marks in. He has more of imperfection and circles in his, but the sculpt itself is almost this. I mean, it's basically the same thing. The pads look the same. The wrist pad or the wristband, a little different. You can tell though on the side here. What I noticed was it's really loose, and you can see the joint there. Let me back it out just a little bit. You can see the joint right there. It's obviously noticeable. But on the sides of the turtle, has a little more wash than the real Donnie. The leg, the same molds. I mean, I don't know how they're getting these. I don't know much about bootlegs. I don't know. It's crazy how they can pull this off and get away with it, to be honest. But it's a lot of them available in there, and it's been for quite some time. The feet basically do the same. Back and forth, roll it around. It rolls around. Loose, just like the typical NECA. Loose feet are always that how they are. But I noticed as well, the knee pad, and I'm really breaking down the detail, they're a little different. But at the same time, I mean, it doesn't look bad, But you can see the straps on this one here, how they painted it and put the laces through there. This one here, they just kind of messy looking lace and then just dotted 3 silver circles there. Now the front, almost, I mean, you could paint this one and really make it probably look just as good or better. If you're really good at, custom and, figures, you can make this probably look, like a white turtle or, I don't know. You can do anything. You can make it look just like that one, I think. I noticed that the shell up top's bent up a little bit. Can you see that? Can you see the bend in that shell? This one here doesn't have that. Same side on the other side. Same things going on. Nothing really different. It comes with an extra. It comes with the pizza. They look kind of the same. It comes with an extra, bandana, back piece. They all come with the same thing and some extra hands. They all look the same. It kind of looks the same. So I wasn't really going to break down the accessories. I'm breaking down the actual, the turtle, because I guess if I was going to buy this and I couldn't get the movie turtles, I would probably get different accessories. But the accessories, it was a cheap bow, but so is the one that the original Donnie comes with. But the hands, they look pretty good. I'll show you that in a minute. We'll look at the boxes. I have an original box here and the bootleg box. But as of the figure still, I mean, his thighs seem to be a little bit bigger. His quads, just a little bit. I mean, but it's not too far off. It's not really too far off. Now back here, if you've seen that, you wouldn't know really which one was which, because the shells are almost spot on. That's crazy. And even the leather pieces on here, just about spot on. The side is the same as the other. Except you can see a little difference between the skin that connects to the shell, like a turtle would in real life, to the back of the skin of the turtle. But up here's a little different from a down view look. Let me get this stuff out of the way. The down view look is that you can see that this is a little more attention to detail on the real Donnie opposed to the fake Donnie. But I guess you could pull that off. It's not that big a deal. But these two figures, I tell you, man, that's crazy. It's nutty. And for $285, free shipping. And I didn't get free shipping because I was a first-time buyer off there. It was free shipping. That's why I bought it, for free shipping. I seen it for $2. There's a few of them on there for like $11, $15. But I guess you kind of get what you pay for, because the only thing I can see I'm really disappointed is the eyes. The eyes are kind of, the real Donnie's eyes are, spot on. These are a little, if you could see, they're a little off. You could probably see it. Like I said, if you were to turn his head sort of like this, down pose, it's okay, because one eye's shooting a little bit further than the other. But I plan on putting it to the side anyway, but I may white it out and try it over again. I don't know if that's going to be more hassle or not. I don't know. Depends what it looks like when I get it on the body that I'm using on another video. So outside of that, man, that's the turtles, man. If you're looking to customize, or you're looking to have a set of turtles that you really don't care if they're NECA, certified, if you want to call it that, the movie turtles, I would definitely buy a pack of these. They had the Pizza Club turtle, all 4 of them, for $42. Now I was tempted, but I was kind of afraid. I didn't get a chance to get any of the Pizza Club turtles because NECA doesn't really fill up our targets here. And when I did go see the target that was kind of far away, they're just long gone. But anyway, that's that. Now let's get to the boxes. All right, here's the boxes right here. A little bit of glare because I mean obviously all these lights, but you can see this is the real one. It has the sticker on it. Only at GameStop, which I doubt anymore, of course. This one, it was printed on there. But the quality of the box, not that I'd keep the box, but you know, I'm just saying I'm not going to keep the box, but the quality of the box is crazy, just like the real one. They didn't hold back with the box. Up on top, like I said, I'm not going to go too deep with this, but you can see right there, if I did that, you would not know which one is which because it's the same kind of quality when it comes to the photos on the back and the actual glossy box. You wouldn't know if I went like this, except the fake one is a little bit lighter with the Nickelodeon sign than it is the orange over here. Okay, everything's falling out. It's not. It doesn't secure too much inside the package here. Not too secure when it comes to that. But no big deal. For 285 or 286, I mean, who cares, right? But here's the extra hands. They're almost, I mean, they're almost identical. Well, the cast is, the sculpt is, but you can see there where the thumbnail is way off. If you want to really criticize what's going on, but all the fingers are there. It's workable. Here's the pizza, and the other pizza. I don't know where. I don't know. It's not that big a deal. This stuff. I don't think the accessories are a big deal. You do come with an extra, you know, bandana. That's. I don't think that's really important. I mean, the hands are. Don't get me wrong. The hands are. But if you're a customizer and you feel like, you know, if you're a customizer and you're gonna paint it anyway, I would definitely recommend getting these turtles regardless, because I think it's all right, man. I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with it, man. Nothing at all. So there's the Donnies. There's the turtles, man. That's it. There you go. That's the real one. Here comes the fake one. Let him do a little couple turns here. Checking it out. I tell you, man, very surprised. I would have paid $12 free shipping. Absolutely. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.